Hi everyone, I'm Chef Kelly.
And I'm Chef Tyler.
And today we're going to be making creamy Tuscan chicken. It's a family favorite. Let's get started.
In a skillet over medium heat, heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil.
Pampered Chef's adjustable measuring spoons are so handy in the kitchen.
Add 6 skinless, boneless chicken breasts to the pan. One. I added a few more than 6 because we have a large family, but now we're going to season the chicken and be adding some salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. As the chicken is cooking, I'm going to heat up some water to add the farfalle pasta in. Now I'm going to turn the chicken over till both sides are golden brown. In my opinion, these Pampered Chef tongs are really cool because when you hold it upwards, it locks, and then when you hold it down, it automatically opens for you. Now that our chicken is golden brown, I am going to transfer them to this bowl. Now that the chicken is ready, I'm going to use Pampered Chef salad choppers to chop up the chicken. And by the way, this is an optional step.
We're going to take 1½ cups of cherry tomatoes and slice them in half using our coated utility knife. And our flexible cutting mats. These are so convenient. All right, Tyler, go ahead. The recipe calls for 3 cloves of minced garlic. So this is a garlic bulb, and most garlic bulbs have between 10 to 12 cloves inside of them. So I'm going to let Tyler demonstrate the best way to separate this bulb. Go ahead, Tyler. What do you think?
That was cool. Now we're going to make the sauce. I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of butter to the pan. Now that the butter is ready, I'm going to be adding 3 cloves of garlic using Pampered Chef's closing press. Next, I'm going to be adding 1½ cups of cherry tomatoes cut in half. Add a dash of salt and pepper. Cook until the tomatoes are beginning to burst. In the meantime, cook a box of farfalle pasta for about 10 to 12 minutes. Next, we're going to be adding 3 cups of baby spinach that I measured perfectly using the classic batter bowl. Cook the spinach until they wilt. As you can see, the tomatoes have bursted and the spinach has already wilted. Now we're going to stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Now we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese using Pampered Chef's Measure All Cup. I also like this because you could also measure solids and liquids. This looks so good. The sauce is now going to start turning a red-orange color because of the tomatoes. Now you're going to simmer the sauce for 3 minutes. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Now I'm going to be adding the chicken to the sauce and stirring it up. This smells so good, Mom.
It does. It smells so good. Using Pampered Chef's scoop and serve, go ahead and scoop out the mixture and put it over your farfalle pasta.
This is so good.